Hi, it's John here from the Professional Nail School and Beauty Academy. I want to apply some gemstones to some of these nails, and I don't want them to actually come off. So what I'm going to use, which is always a problem, so what I'm going to use is this gummy jelly, which I got from the America, and it's a very thick gel. As you can see, it's very, very thick. And I've got some no wipe top coat as well. So basically what I'm going to do, obviously you have to plan out in front what you're going to use in your gems. I haven't really done that, but I'm just going to show you how I stick them on. So I'll probably stick them on, some on this nail, and well, I'll have a go, see what we do. Right, so basically what I'm going to do is pick up some of this jelly, and I'm going to put it mainly where I want the gems to be. It's quite thick in its consistency, and just spread it out. Basically where I want them to be. And then what I'm going to do then is get my top coat and just brush that out smoothly, very gently touching the surface of the gel. So just get it smoothed out without really putting much pressure on, because I want to leave it thick where I put it there. Just cover that back up button by the window, and then I'm going to pick up a gemstone. What shall we have? Let's go for that one there. I'm going to put that onto the nail, and I'm just going to push it into position where I want it to be. Press it down, make sure it's straight. And then I might pick up some smaller ones. Let's get that one there. Put that about there. Now the problem with gemstones, when you put them onto a surface, they can slide about, so you've got to try and get them so that they stay into position where you wanted them to be. Put that little one there. Maybe one more just there. Right, so I'm just actually going to freeze that now so that they don't move about when I get them to go into the lamp. I'm just going to pop those into the lamp now. 60 seconds. Because I actually froze them with this little UV light, it means that when they're in the lamp, if the client moves their fingers or whatever, they don't slide about on the surface. There's our gems attached there. So let's go on to the next one. I'm not going to overdo this because I'm only demonstrating to you. So get some jelly again. It's really thick, this stuff, so just want to... And you can do this as well with a builder gel in a bottle. There's another way of doing it. And just put our gems up. Should we go for just one big one here? Just one will do, I think. Make sure it's centered. Oh gosh, come on, stay where you are, where I put you. Probably shouldn't have touched it. There we go. And I think, as I said, you can use a builder gel in a bottle. This is a Premier Gel builder gel. And again, it's quite thick, as you can see. Put your gel here. And use your top coat just to smooth that out. Keeping the gel thicker where you placed it, thick gel. Pick up your gemstone, place it. I think I'll just leave it where it is now, shall I? Or shall I move it across a bit? Actually, it's just twisted itself a bit. Just keeps wanting to twist. For some reason, it keeps wanting to twist itself. It's probably the shape of the actual nail surface. Get on there. A little bit of gel. You can see how thick this gel is. It's amazing stuff. But it really is strong. I've never had a gem come off with this gummy gel. But you can only buy it from America, so you have to order it. I think I got it on American eBay, I think. Right, so I'm going to pop that into the lamp. $60. Right, so let's come out the lamp. And you can see our gems attached. And they are really, really solid. They're not going to move at all. Not going to move. So, it's John here from the nailschool.co.uk, Professional Nail School and Beauty Academy. So if you want your gems to stick on, just follow what I showed you, and you should be fine. That's perfectly okay. See you again soon. Bye for now.